Which German A1 exam should you take? In this quick video, I will break down all the official German language exams and help you choose the right one. Welcome to Learn German with Max. You might need to take an A1 exam for visas, personal goals, or just to test your skills. But which one should you choose? There are three major A1 exams: Goethe-Zertifikat, telc Deutsch, ÖSD-Zertifikat. What all major German A1 exams have in common. These exams follow a similar format, testing the four key language skills: reading, understanding short texts, writing, basic sentences or forms, listening, comprehending simple conversations, speaking, introducing yourself, asking and answering questions. Both kids and adults can take these exams. All institutes offer special versions for younger learners. A1 exam for kids. This exam is specially designed for young learners aged 10 to 16 years old. It is slightly shorter in duration. Exams for kids focus on school life, classroom objects, subjects, routines, hobbies, sports, games, toys, family, members, pets, home life, basic social interactions, playdates, birthdays, simple daily activities, eating, dressing, playing. A1 exam for adults. This exam is specially designed for learners aged 16 above. Exams for adults focus on work life, jobs, workplaces, schedules, household matters, shopping, cooking, cleaning, transportation, public transit, directions, official situations, forms, appointments, social interactions, neighbors, colleagues. Key differences between German A1 exams. The Goethe-Zertifikat A1 is the most recognized worldwide. telc Deutsch A1 is also widely recognized, especially in Europe. ÖSD-Zertifikat A1 is good for Austria or Switzerland. Goethe has more than 1,000 test centers worldwide. telc even more than 3,000. ÖSD has 400 only. Unlike Goethe or ÖSD, many telc centers offer frequent exam sessions, sometimes even monthly. Goethe is best for visas, especially family reunion in Germany. telc exams focus more on daily life and job content. ÖSD is good for Austrian or Swiss residency. Goethe's oral exam has two partners. telc's oral exam is with easier speaking, done alone with an examiner, no partner needed. ÖSD varies. Most test centers in Europe need about 3 to 4 weeks. Outside Europe, it may take 4 to 6 weeks. Only telc offers express correction for an extra fee, reducing wait time to 1 to 2 weeks. Goethe is about 80 to 150 euros per exam. telc is about 60 to 120 euros per exam, so a little bit lower. And ÖSD is kind of in the middle, 70 to 130 euros. So, which exam is right for you? Choose Goethe if you plan to continue with higher level Goethe exams or need a global recognition. Choose telc if you need it for immigration or quick results, with the express option. Choose ÖSD if you're moving to Austria or Switzerland.